Hi, this is RockinRobin, and it's time for another video on what we sold. Right now, we're looking at what we sold in the first 2 weeks of November. You stay with us. So one of the things that I noticed about the first 2 weeks in November is that I was putting up items and they were selling pretty quickly. Let's start with this. This is a DVD case, complete series of The Man from U.N.C.L.E. I bought this for $24.99. I sold this within 2 hours of listing it, and I got $79 for it. Now, things were selling fast for some reason on eBay and even Mercari. All the formats were selling quickly this month. I don't know why that is, but it's a good thing when that happens. This jacket I got, I think, just last week at a garage sale for $5. I know I showed it to you on a video. I thought it was really cool. It was funny thing was I wore it that whole day because it was really chilly in Florida. Well, I put it up, and I believe it was within 24 hours that I sold this jacket. I had a couple of people who offered me some different prices that I wasn't happy with, but somebody eventually bought it for $89, and I thought that was a great deal. Good profit. Now that led to this. Once I saw that one had sold and I got it for $5, I went to a flea market and somebody was asking $15. We got this for $10. My partner in crime saw it. She knew I sold the other one, so she grabbed this one for $10. Now, I had a lot of offers for $50 at this, and I declined. I kept waiting. I didn't want to take less than $60. Somebody offered me $67, and it sold within a couple days. Now, this one right here, I had bought this last year. I had forgotten to put this up. This was very cute. It's an animated fishing guy who holds ornaments, and it goes up and down. Well, I knew Christmas was coming. I said, wow, there's a couple items I found that I bought last year and I didn't put up. This was among them, and I put it up, and I sold it in less than a day for $25. Now, not everything was that quick. This particular redhead western shirt had horses on it. It took me a long time. This one I've had up for about a year. I bought it for $2, and I had it up for $24.99 and $19.99. Eventually, I did get $17, and hey, $15 profit. Next was this Houston Texans shirt. Now, this is a reversible shirt, and it is for flag football. I didn't know how it would do. I've never bought something like that before. It was really nice looking. And I believe I bought this in about January or February of this year. So I have had it for a while. I don't think I paid more than $2 for it, and I sold it for $14. And this Continental lighter, got this at a garage sale for $5. I believe that was in March of this year. So it's been a while. Wasn't as fast as the other ones, but it did sell for, I believe, $25. Now, the next one, this one is another one. I put this up on auction because I wasn't sure the value of it. They range all over. I paid $1 a piece, so I paid a total of $2. I just wanted to see what it would bring. I got a number of these for $1. Not a huge profit. We got $18, but hey, if you're going to get it fast and you're going to do an auction, I loved auctions. Sold, and that was great. This one right here, this was a New York Giants jacket. I got two jackets for $5. This one and a Red Sox one, I believe. Makes no sense, but that's what I got. And I sold it for $18. I believe I got that in the spring. So that one wasn't as quick. Here is another one. I told you I had found a box with some Christmas stuff that I bought last year, or this year, I guess, and I never put up. So I decided with this one, I didn't know the value again. I was going to try an auction. You know, I still love auctions. They were how I started in eBay, and they're still great. This one I put up. I had a little tag on it that said $2, and that was what I initially bought it for. It went great throughout the week. It was going up. And then, of course, in the last minute, it continued to go up. I ended up getting, you ready for this? $66 for this ornament. And I was thrilled. I love putting stuff up and selling them within a week. So those are some of the things we sold this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you to get some tips, some ideas, some secrets. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. And hit the bell. Now I want you to go out there, find something good, put it up on eBay, and you go make yourself some money.